Ulcerative colitis, or UC, is a chronic relapsing inflammatory bowel disease that affects millions of people worldwide. While current treatments aim to ease symptoms and maintain remission, they often fall short in providing long-term relief or preventing disease flare-ups. This highlights the urgent need for well-manageable and effective treatment options. Drawing on years of clinical experience in managing the disease, our team has developed CDD-2103, a Chinese herbal formulation designed to help patients maintain remission. Patients who took CDD-2103 tolerated it well, with no reported adverse effects. Building on these promising observations, we have developed this formulation in a granule format, based on the standardized and stringent quality standards. Our research team has conducted extensive preclinical studies, including pharmaceutical, pharmacological, and non-clinical safety evaluations. These studies have shown that CDD-2103 is both safe and effective. Our study found that components of CDD-2103 increase colonic dendritic cells and encourage them to become more taurinogenic by reducing molecules like CD80 and CD86. This helps expand regulatory T cells, which maintain immune tolerance by suppressing the pro-inflammatory T cells. Additionally, CDD-2103 also reduces the inflammation by preventing the macrophages from migrating into the inflamed areas in the colon. With its targeted multi-component actions, CDD-2103 offers a comprehensive approach to managing the disease. Recently, CDD-2103 received authorization from the National Medical Products Administration of China to initiate the Phase 2 clinical trials, marking a significant milestone in its development. Looking ahead, we are preparing to launch the next phase of clinical trials to further validate CDD-2103 safety and efficacy in a larger group of patients. We are also eager to explore potential collaborations to advance this innovative product. Our ultimate goal is to bring CDD-2103 to the market, providing a safe and effective solution that improves the quality of life for UC patients worldwide.